Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester, and in today's video we're discussing the one and only Dogecoin. Now Dogecoin has been doing amazingly in the past few weeks or so, and in this video we're going to be breaking this down from a technical analysis perspective, a fundamental perspective, and basically a price prediction to see how we can basically be making money trading Dogecoin over the next sort of week or so, because this thing is starting to run up. So we'll start off with just a general update across the board here. The camera needs to focus. You can see here that the price of Doge right now is actually 0.24 cents. That 24 cents here, and with a market cap of $36.78 billion in the last 7 days, it is up basically just over 25%, which is unbelievable stuff. It is a very, very healthy chart to see here. And that's why we're doing this video today. Now, before we go any further, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about a Doge-themed meme coin that I think has got absolutely huge potential here, and that is called Maxi Doge. Now, Maxi Doge is the most degen Dogecoin sort of theme meme coin that I've found in the space right now. You can see from the branding, it's not just one of those crappy meme coins that get launched on pump.fun. This is a proper meme coin that is actually looking like it's had a lot of time and a lot of work put into this thing. Okay, it's got clickable, engaging stuff on the site. It's a very, very memeable, super degen, jacked up Doge coin, jacked up Doge character essentially, with the potential to go very parabolic, to say the least. 1000x is what they're saying here. Basically saying that he trades 1000x leverage. It's complete degen, right? But I think we are looking at around probably 10 to 100x here on an asset like this. In the pre-sale, they've currently raised $572,000, as you can see here. The next target is $700,000. If you guys do want to get involved with this, all you need to do is go to the link in the description, connect your wallet. You need the best wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, or Coinbase wallet, and you can exchange your USDT, your BNB, your Solana, or even your Ethereum here. I mean, selling Ethereum right now is probably a good idea because it's absolutely exploding. You could take some really good profit and rotate it into a meme coin like this that has got huge potential with big green candles going to the moon here. So yeah, overall looking like a pretty good project. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys, but that is just a general meme coin that I think is going to do well. Now, back to the one and the only Doge. Okay, so the last 1 day, it's up 7.33% with a market cap, as I said, $36 billion. It's looking pretty good overall. Let's get into the chart and let's see how we can be trading this, how we can make some money with Doge, because that's obviously why we do these videos, why you guys watch these videos, is to basically see how you can make some money. So what we're looking at now from a technical analysis perspective, guys, you can see here that we've got lovely levels of support, and that has created this horizontal trend line. Now this horizontal trend line here is acting as support across the board on the lower side. Now usually what that means, it creates bullish momentum to the upside. Now that bullish momentum has been followed by a parabolic move like we have seen here, but again, followed by a parallel, okay, which basically means it's a mirror image of this basically horizontal line all the way to the upside here, a parallel level that is causing resistance. Now that is creating basically a parallel channel, guys. Now parallel channels are very important in crypto because they can signify breakout scenarios. Now breakout scenarios are basically something along the lines of this. This area is the area we want to watch here because we can actually create a measure move from the lower side of this channel to the top side of this channel, drag that up to the top side here, and wherever we break out, this could be the essentially the price prediction here for the next move up, okay, the next leg up. And as you can see here, we have had legs like this before, big move, big parabolic move here as well. It's going to be the same thing to the upside. Now that does represent 69.33% here on your investment, which again, pretty goddamn bullish if I say so myself. But we're not just going to be blindly going for this long position here. We need to be cautious and we need to be safe. Now the way that we do that is we stagger our take profits. Okay, we stagger our take profits as we are sort of in this position. Okay, so the first TP you can see is clearly this area of resistance that we have seen before. And that's sat at 28 cents. Okay, that will be the first take profit. Once you hit your first take profit, you take your stop loss here, which in this case, say your entry is just like here. Stop loss will be below all major moving averages here, and we're going for something along the lines of this. Okay, now if we are going to be basically taking that move to the upside here and finding this level, this will be our first TP. Once we hit our first take profit, guys, we essentially move our stop loss to our entry point. And then we are sat in a risk-free position here. We're sat in a risk-free trade, hands up, no problem. If we hit our stop loss, hey, we hit our stop loss at break even. We've already hit our first take profit and taken out 25% equity of that position. And now we're just sat in a risk-free trade, hands up, no stress, whatever. We're basically chilling. If this thing runs, amazing stuff, no stress, no worries. If it doesn't run, we've already made money. And that is basically the goal here, getting yourself into that risk-free trade and basically sitting there and chilling, okay? So that is the update there for Doge. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section. Super intrigued to know your opinion. And if you guys are looking for that big meme coin play, go check out Maxi Doge, 10 to 100x potential in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section of that as well. Super intrigued to know your opinions on these completely degen meme coin plays. They're great fun, okay? That is gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.